Check, check. Oh, there we go. Check, check. Hey. There we go. Damn, my mic is hot. Check, check, check. There we go. I turned it down a little bit. All right, all right, all right. Greetings, everybody. How you guys all doing tonight? Boy, just getting up here and kissing all these higher time frames. I mean, this goes for everything. All the higher Bollinger Bands. Man, I think this might be the place we have to drop under, we have to get back under all this. Otherwise, this is so bullish. We got to get back under 10.3. Actually, 10.233 is what we need to get back under for sure. What's going on, Dougie? What's going on, Plane? Yeah, I'll go over SV. Man, SV has been on fire. I'm looking at it in my other chart. I actually got it up on my other monitor. It's right here. It's right there. It's turning into a bullish triangle. I just put this in the members area. I said, hey, it's looking like a bullish triangle, something like that. It might be a little lower. It might be like right there. It's kind of looking maybe like something like that, probably. And Link, look at Link. Damn. You know, I know a lot of people are watching a whole bunch of other. Let me take a look at XRP. Oh, XRP's had a nice run. Wow, look at how old this chart is. Holy cow. My God, this is a weekly chart. Last time I posted it was right here. Yeah, BNB has had a nice moon. Yeah, BNB's had an amazing little run. You know, I never use the TD on BNB, and BNB is just too much of a beast. Man, it was all the way down to 15. Jesus. Ethereum, it's like 2 something. Damn, Ethereum just keeps going. I just see we need a pullback. It's my only thing. It's just like we need a pullback here. I just think we're gonna get some kind of a pullback. Such a crazy run. Let's see what I got. Making new wedgie. Oh, that wedge has got some room on it right there. New wedge. God damn. Look at the freaking longs on Phoenix. Again. Golly, look at the fucking longs on Phoenix. Man, when Phoenix says it's going to go long, it's going to go long. Man, I hate to play against Phoenix. I mean, look at the longs building up here in Phoenix. Just like they did last time, right before the big kaboom. What's going on, Crypto Light? What's going on, Michael? Yeah, I just feel like we hit resistance. God, it's just so freaking overheated. I feel like we gotta get a pullback. Listen, I wrote this yesterday when I was in the group in the chat. This was my notes. I just felt we needed a pullback. Like the bulls had to close over 10,033, right? We haven't got to close over 1033. I mean, we're right there. We're like at 1033 right now. crazy. Hey George, how you doing, buddy? Yeah. Yeah, well, we're bullish because of the halving. Been preaching that for a while now. But yeah, there's got to be a pullback here. Where is the pullback? Yeah, weekly bullish. Fucking bullish crosses. Fuck, dude. I mean, I hate to play against Phoenix. Hmm. Goddamn, how did BTC's dominance just completely take a shit? How did BTC dominance take a complete freaking shit and we're going up? Yeah, no, I agree with the new money flowing into alts, but is this it? Is this where we get a little pullback right here? Yeah, there's no, just the having. The having's the only thing bullish. All right, guys ready? Check, check. All right, everybody, how you guys doing out there today? Welcome one, welcome all. I'm going to go over just a couple really quick things. Listen, so yesterday I put in a, actually it's today or something like that. When the hell was it? Yesterday. 8 o'clock in the morning, I said, hey, this is 10335, right? The bulls need to get up over 10335, right? And you can see where this is, all this resistance up here. There's the daily Gauss, the 3-day Gauss, but 10233 is actually the weekly Gauss, right? Which it should act as a stronger resistance. So the close that the bulls are looking for is to get up over this 10335 area, right? Which you can see is here and there. So this is what they're trying to get up. Or you can also see that it's over here on the there. Well, it's 10.4 pumped up a little bit there. 10.3 on the weekly over here. There's the 10.3 range right there on the weekly upper Gauss, right? So hit the upper Gauss, pull back, hit the upper Gauss, pull back. The weekly candle is bearish, right? Still bearish. It's still a hanging man at this point, right? So I'd mentioned that we might have to hold out till the end of the week, right? This might have to hold out to the end of the week. Where did I see? There it is. We might not get a retrace is what I was thinking until the next weekly close, right? Which is the weekly close we're posting up right here, right? I think because we just hit the resistance I was talking about, right? And tried to get up over that resistance and we got rejected. So the 12-hour candle, daily candles, I mean, there's a long way to go in the daily, though. So we've got a long way to go in the daily. One of the things I really want to come back here and take a look at is look at the BTC dominance. It's the blue line right here, right? So look, this is the BTC dominance right here. This thing just fell off of a freaking skyscraper. And yeah, the alts came up a little bit. Alts have been going up as we've seen some really strong action in the alt markets. We've seen some pretty good action in the alt market. You know, Link, as I predicted, going to $4 from $3. It's there. We're just a little bit over $4 right now. SV too, man. SV was down in the buy range. I mean, here we go. We'll take a look at these. You know, there was SV. This was, I said, needs to hold 236. That was my outline. Never got to it. Still in it. Still in the trade. We're actually at 376 right now, right? 376. I said this looks like an A&E bottom. This could also turn into a bullish triangle on there. Link, listen, this chart goes all the way. I mean, I can't even tell you. My accuracy on the link chart goes back so far. My accuracy on the link chart goes all the way back to hithereth. And I mean, Jesus Menezes, I've just been absolutely insanely accurate on link. So like from missed the pullback area. Well, don't say that. Had one pullback area here, kind of fell in the midst and betwixt both of these areas. All right, this was definitely my rebuy area for more link, which I never made it down to. But then we had this other. I said from here. This is just God. This just worked out great. So still looking good on link. Also making a bullish triangle, punching up into the resistance here into previous historical resistance range. But link has just been absolutely amazing. You guys can go back and see that. XRP making a nice run. Also BNB. Yeah. Listen, BNB never ceases to amaze me. Right, just one of the most. You know, and I take my hat off to CZ. This is, to me, the only true functioning cryptocurrency in the world. That's it. There is no other, not even Bitcoin. And I'll have that argument any day with people. Yeah, sure, you can use anything to transfer wealth. Anything to transfer wealth. Right? People say, oh, but Bitcoin's amazing because you can transfer wealth with it. Yeah, well, you can transfer wealth with Ethereum. Shit, you can transfer wealth with anything. I mean, there's, if you want to move money from point A to point B and then sell it, I mean, you got a million different alternatives right now out there, about 2,000 cryptos out there. So it's not just, it's just Bitcoin is not in a class of its own where you can't, and the other thing is Bitcoin just doesn't do shit. It just doesn't do anything. It's too slow. But BNB, on the other hand, by far the best. It is a digital coupon that they make money on, right? And there's nothing else out there that makes freaking money in the crypto world. You buy BNB, it works as a coupon, you get money off trading. These guys print this BNB out of thin air, and then they absolute freaking genius, right? Making money out of thin air. Absolutely genius. So, God bless CZ and all he's done for the to prove the point that cryptocurrency can be a viable, usable financial tool, and also a great financial and also a prove user. He's created a user case that's now proven itself for years and years and years. It's a digital coupon. Works great. Litecoin, same thing. Nice run, right? I mean, God, look at my Litecoin. Look at my Litecoin chart. All right, so let's see how well my Litecoin chart did over here, right? Let's go back. There's my Litecoin chart. Let's see the last time I did Litecoin, right? There's my Litecoin. It's been a minute, skis, right? Look at that, right? Can't drop below 40 to the moon, right? All the way back. Let's see. There it is. God damn, I'm good. You know what? Sometimes you're good, sometimes you're great, and it's often better to be the great side, right? I mean, sometimes you just got to give yourself a little pat on the back, and that was a fine job by me. Paste, right? Hold on a second here. My God, how old is this? There it is. Golly, how can I grab that? 9-4. September 5th. All right. There it is, boys and girls. All right. Gotta grab one more. Sorry for taking up your time. There we go. All right. And scoot some stuff around. Wow. Just absolutely moondicular on just amazing call. Ethereum, doesn't look like it had anything for Ethereum. Ethereum, it just like you guys were saying that some nice runs on alts, and they're getting it. The alts are getting it all the way around. I just have to go back, and I'm gonna say one more time. I am the bears, the bulls. I'm sorry, the bulls have to close over 10-3-1-1, and would you ever see 10-3-3-1 to 10-2-3-3? Right, it's that simple. So for me right now, it's nothing has changed. Okay, so we're gonna go back to BTC. Right, still the same. Bulls need a close over 10-2-3-3 to 10-3. Was it 10-3-3? 10-3-3-5, I think it is. 10-300, whatever it is. 10-300. Looks like 3-3-5. There it is. Okay, 10-3-3-5. Still, I am still looking for a near-term pullback. And this can take to the end of the weekly close. Right, 9,500. Let's go. I just want to confirm 95. Getting a little bit higher there on the supports. 95, 95, 94. So we're north 94 to 95 and a half right now. Yep, 94 to 95 and a half. Yes. So like 94 supports. Range is 9,400 to 95. It's gonna go up though, 95.50-ish. Right? Okay, here we are. Where is that one chart? One more chart I'm gonna go over. There it is, right there. And where did you go? Oh, come here. There we are. Phoenix is going long. Always win, right? All right, so this is my note real quick here. I said Phoenix is going long, right? Look at how long Phoenix is going long. I said, to me, it looks like, you know what? They're almost loaded up. They've loaded up their longs, and just like they did before, they loaded up all their longs, and then they just, they dump them for profit, load them up again, dump them for profit, load them up again. I mean, these guys are absolute geniuses over there, hiding in Malta or wherever they're at. Nobody knows who the hell they are. God bless them. Oops, no. But that's the only thing I've really. I mean, the Binance, the Phoenix guys, just so tough to play against these guys, right? These are the pump and dump experts of the cryptosphere. So I'm telling you, I am still, nothing has changed for me. I am looking. We haven't broken out. Right? Until we break out, until we close over that line, nothing is bullish. It's just not. You got to get up, got to get over this in order for this to be bullish to me. I am still looking for a pullback to the 9,500-ish range. I want to see a pullback to the 95, big shakeout, take a bunch of profits, $1,000, and kind of consolidate for a second before we try our next move up to break up and out of all of these areas, right? Right. I still think we need one big shakeup before we make the move. That's it. I'm the Vamp, and I am out. All right. Has anybody got any questions? I'll take a couple questions. I'm going to load this video. Man, I like the new thing on. There we go. Trying to write up my notes. All right, there we go. Okay, George. All right, George says, "Do you see us retesting the only if we only way I see us going all the way back down? I mean, if we're going back down there, we're going back down to like 83 and change, something like that. The only way I see us going back down there right now is we got to lose 94, 9400. We don't lose 9400. We're just gonna go. We're just gonna go up again. You know, there's no reason with the halving being so bullish, which it is. Bullish is the halving is still bullish. And listen, my videos, if you guys go back, my videos have said this. All right, and I'll just go to my YouTube videos. Let's pull up our channel. Where's the channel? There it is. 3 bullish things in FA 3 weeks ago. Right? 3 weeks ago. And there we are. We get a pullback usually right before or right after the halving. We get a really ugly pullback right before or right after halving. Yep. But I still think we need a pullback. I still think we need a pullback. And you know, usually the pullback before the halving is you know, it's a couple. It's you know, it's a pretty strong pullback. It's a shakeout. It's definitely a long shakeout before we go long, right? And then I will make sure I note that. Let's make sure I put that in the notes. All right, what's the word I'm looking for? What's the word I'm looking for? It's not a having pump unless you go. What's the word I'm looking for, guys? Come on. Parabolic. Okay, there we go. Link can go all the way to $7, $7 to $10. Link can go all the way to parabolic. Yeah, Link can go $7 to $10 on a breakout. Usually we're right in that resistance area, so we're in the resistance area. We could bop around a little bit before it makes the breakout, but Link could go $7 to $10. And it's SV. Ah, freaking slaying SV. Yep. All right, so we'll do a little thing on Link, right? Do a little thing on Link right here. How about this? Let me scoot this over. All right. Is in that R area. Okay, that's it. May 20th, yep, there you go. Awesome. All right, any other questions? Anybody? Anybody? Let me check the members area, see what the members have any questions. Nope, nobody has any questions. Anybody? Anybody? Bueller? Bueller? Come on, guys. Lottery numbers, politics. Here I am. I think Litecoin is absolutely worthless, other than to just trade and make money on. Absolutely worthless. Doesn't have any devs, doesn't have anybody out there doing anything with it. Just totally worthless. Super sad. No. We were gonna pump anyway because of the halving. Listen, there was no coronavirus 3 weeks ago. When I said when I said 3 weeks ago the three bullish things about it, we're having SV and Link. I mean, these are all home run plays, right? I mean, the coronavirus, I feel that is I'm coughing. It's not a good sign. I feel the coronavirus is we're not going to know about the coronavirus. I would say we need a good 2 weeks. We need a good 2 weeks. And you know what I want? I want and I'll write this in the world economy. Where's that at? All right, let's go world economy. Okay. Oh, shit. You know what? I should put a... Hold on a second. Boy, Germany's just taking a beating right now. Yeah, boy, I chunked it on this one. Total fail. Damn, you gotta give it to Elon Musk, man. Gotta give it to Elon Musk. Guy is a damn beast. Guy's a damn. I'm telling you guys, the next thing is a short, right? The next thing I'm looking for. Play is. Um. Okay. World economy. All right. Coronavirus. All right. So for the coronavirus, I think one of two things. One, we need a real report from the WHO in China, not the media restricted news that is coming out from state-owned media. Right? That's number one. Number two, get a damn anti-virus quickly. I think we can see one in the next 3 months. All right. 3. Dude, seriously, Chris, listen. I go to China all the time. It is not sanitary. I can't tell you how many restaurants I've gone into, guys, and it is so undamn sanitary. It just drives me wild. Absolutely drives me batty. Ah, get it? It drives me batty. Oh, that's funny. Oh God, that's funny. Anyways, yeah, that's. I mean, it's just there's live animals everywhere, 5 feet from where they're cooking the animals, and I've said this before. They're pooping and peeing, and then they take the dead animals and they feed the dead animals to the live animals, and then then you're 10 feet away and the animals that are pooping and peeing and eating other animals are right in front of you. And then the cooks are carrying the poop and the pee into the kitchen. And then everybody's getting, and it's just not sanitary. Dude, China is just not sanitary. But it's their culture. It's just their culture. Hey, Peter. Check out Peter's videos. All right, Peter. Drop me a link, homie. Drop me a link, Peter. I'll check your videos out. Can't. But I think that, yeah, that's a great point. All right, so China needs to institute first world country health department standards and practices. Dude, yeah. I have been to these Chinese markets, guys. I have been to them. They are disgusting. And it's just so unsanitary. It just is. Listen, again, you go to a food cart, right, in Mexico, right? You go to a food cart in Mexico, you eat some bad food, you get sick. You get the runs, you get sick. It is what it is, right? But it's not like you go to a food cart in Mexico and there's like a freaking chicken, a live chicken right there, or like, live rats and whatever else. That's just it's the things need to change in China. And the government can do it easy. Dude, the government there, there ain't no joke. Ain't no joke in China. They tell you to change it, they're legit serious about you changing the shit. They're like, change now, right? I mean, there's no joke, dude. It's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy in China. Like, you know, people don't have guns. Can't stand up against the Chinese government. Ain't none of that. Ain't none of that going on. All right, any other questions? All right. No, I mean, I really don't watch BC. You mean SV? Are you asking about SV? If you're asking about SV, I'm still bullish on SV. My notes on SV are very simple. My notes on SV say, oh, where is it? That's weird. Oh, I put my SV stuff down here. I think that until where's my notes on SV? Let me find my SV notes. And not, where did I put my notes down here, damn it? Damn it, where are my SV notes? People writing in my crap. Too many people writing in here. Okay, I'll just make it out over here. There we go. Dun dun dun. All right, there we go. All right, everybody. Anything else? Other than that, it is 1 o'clock in the morning here, and I am